How to create watch face from a picture in Photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on the Photos app. From here, go to your Photos library and then select a photo. So here I will select this picture here. So touch and hold on that to select, or you can simply tap on the select button here and then select a picture. After that, you can tap on the share button, then we scroll down, and from here tap on create watch face. Here it says choose watch face, so select a watch face that you want to use, photo watch face or kaleidoscope watch face. So I'm going to choose photos watch face, and then from here you want to choose a time size. So we set a time size, and then font, numerals, styles, photo color, time color. So choose a style that you want to use with this watch face and then tap on add. And that's it. So we now have successfully created a new watch face with the selected picture. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.